What is up, everybody? My name is Paul, and today I am getting my master's degree in higher ed administration. Today I'm going to be bringing you along for a day in my life as a graduate student during commencement at Gillette Stadium. Let's go! So it is currently 9:16 a.m. and I cannot go to this ceremony looking like Astro Boy. So we're going to go get a haircut. Alright, just got my fresh cut, but now we have to go get ready. We're about to go to Gillette, so let's go. Alright, I am all ready now, and we can get to Gillette. So let's do this. So we have my mom, we have my dad, we have my sis, my girl. Let's go. Here we are in Gillette Stadium. Alright, we are getting picture ready for this. We can take pictures on the field. Weirdest people just get on the screens. Yeah.
Look who's graduating.
Yeah, got one with President Clark.
He did it.
Finally, yeah. Before lining up, all the graduates get to hang out here. After getting your card, you can chill with people and then eat snacks. But they have a little tutorial there on how you're supposed to hold your hood. So let's practice. Started.
You just graduated from Bridgewater State University.
All right, and now we are exiting. Was it all worth it? Getting a master's degree, going to grad school. Is all that worth it for today? 100% it was. Congratulations to everybody that graduated. It was an unforgettable day, unforgettable ceremony. BSU, you'll always have a special place in my heart. Thank you for all the memories. Peace out, guys. All right, graduation is over, so here are my peoples.